where we reflect on the good, the bad, and the quirky of the smartphone industry in the year 2023. The year 2023 marked the steady progress of the smartphone industry, with Apple launching its latest iPhone 15 series, Samsung setting the bar high for the best Android phones with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and Google incorporating AI features in its Pixel 8. However, some trends emerge that could have a lasting impact on all of us as we move towards 2024. Let's start with the rise of foldable phones. Samsung has been the dominant player in this market for years, but in 2023, competition arose, and several other brands like Motorola, Oppo, Honor, Google, and OnePlus also launched their respective foldable phones. This healthy competition not only increased the number of foldable phones in the market, but also gave consumers more options than ever before. Furthermore, the competition also resulted in affordable models like the Motorola Razr 2023, available for less than $700. One aspect of camera specification that is often scrutinized is the range of the telephoto camera. Generally, longer-range cameras are preferred, such as the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 10x telephoto lens. However, the year 2023 proved that a longer optical range does not always result in better quality. In the latter half of 2023, most of the flagship phones displayed new image processing techniques and artificial intelligence that resulted in exceptional camera performance with optical quality. For instance, the Pixel 8 Pro's 5x telephoto camera was found to be as good as the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 10x telephoto camera. These new techniques help to enhance the details and clarity of the images captured, without the need for a long-range lens. We are big fans of the OnePlus Open phone, which boasts premium physical components such as well-sized displays and effective cameras, as well as impressive software capabilities, including its Open Canvas multitasking system. Additionally, the phone's battery life is outstanding. Foldable phone manufacturers should take note and learn from OnePlus's example when developing their own devices. Samsung, this means you. Looking to the future, I'm excited for the anticipated advancements in artificial intelligence that will power our beloved S24 series. The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have already given us a glimpse of what's to come, with rich AI-assisted features that feel like magic and make tedious tasks a breeze. Additionally, one of the coolest AI-powered features is the call screen feature offered by Google Assistant. With this feature, users can let the assistant accept phone calls on their behalf and provide intelligent responses to callers. Apple has been leading the way in providing software updates for their devices for a while now. However, Android phone makers have started to follow suit. Samsung was the first to extend its software support to 4 years, and recently, Google announced that its Pixel devices will now receive 7 years of Android updates. While you may not want to keep your Pixel 8 for that long, it's reassuring to know that the option is available to you. It's great to see smartphone manufacturers taking software updates seriously, as it is important to keep devices up to date for security and performance reasons. If you're an Android user, this is definitely something to look forward to. The year 2023 witnessed several trends that could shape the future of the smartphone industry. From the rise of foldable phones to advancements in AI-powered features and lengthy software support, these developments are exciting and promising. We can't wait to see what the future holds for smartphones. So the big question is, will you choose to upgrade or keep your phone? Well, since the S24 Ultra is not out yet, we can't tell or say anything until it is released. Let us know what you think in the comments section. As always, see you tomorrow. Goodbye.